My name is Jelena. I am a teacher for Serbian language at Academic Serbian Association. This is the only accredited organization in Serbia for learning Serbian as a foreign language. I have been Serbian language online teacher for 5 years now. I am very passionate about teaching my students and providing them interesting, enjoyable, fun, and most importantly, informative lessons using very understandable material. So, let's start learning Serbian language together. Looking forward to see you soon!